swing at me, stop.
Y'all, I didn't do nothing wrong. I swear to God, you guys are. I'm not under arrest.
Stop. You're under arrest.
For what? For what?
Relax. No. Let go of me. Hey.
No.
Hey, listen.
Just put this coat on. I swear to God, I'm kidding. I swear to God, oh my kid's life. Why am I getting arrested right now?
You're under arrest. You're under arrest for disorderly conduct. And you're under arrest for...
This incident is from May 6th, 2023, when a woman was arrested for theft and disorderly behavior in Kent City of Washington State. It is clearly visible in the video that the woman and her partner had stolen the shop earlier as well, and this time too the police was called when they were suspected. Although the woman kept claiming herself innocent, when she was asked to leave the shop, she argued with the police, threw the goods of the shop, and resisted arrest. In this video, we will see how a minor situation suddenly turned into a big ruckus.
So I want to be clear. It's the two down there at the end with the cart and the kind of red hair and that guy?
Yep.
And they previously shoplifted before?
Yeah, they've come in here. I've seen them in here a couple times.
I'm going to give them the you don't want their business speech.
Thank you.
Hi guys, how we doing? Hey, need you guys to leave the store without taking anything. Okay? You guys are identified as previous shoplifters. Yeah, store security said, they called us here. They said you walked in with another guy just now and they literally pointed you out, both of you. Yeah, both of you. You guys are trespassing the store for life and you need to leave.
You know what gives it away, bro? What? Those stolen jeans.
The jeans with the stolen tags on them, and then, so you guys need to leave the store, okay? If you don't leave now, you're going to get arrested for trespass. You guys understand you can't come back? Cool, they don't want your business. They don't want your money. The store, security.
Security.
It's really simple.
Are you serious?
Absolutely. They don't want your business. You got to take those gloves off. You got to leave. I'm not a weirdo. I'm just doing my job. You got to leave.
You are a weirdo.
Okay. Well, I'm sure if I took your dirty fingerprints outside and got your fingerprints, you'd have a long history of...
Excuse me?
You have dirty
You want to
hands.
do it? Let's go. Check it out. Check it out. Come on. You want? No, seriously. I will
Stop. Don't grab the
No,
card.
I want you. I will grab my purse.
Yes, you can take the purse. Go ahead. You got to leave
I
the
want you
store.
to take my fingerprint. Thank you. Take my fingerprint. Seriously.
Okay.
I prove you wrong. Okay, thanks.
We would have to go all the way out to my car out front with my fingerprints scanned. Cool?
Yeah.
That's really, really rude.
I don't care. You're really, really rude. How are you going to tell me I have a long...
Go ahead. It would be a really fun end to my day. I just don't think you should be slinging around terms like that because it's rude.
Why would you take my
You got to leave the store. I'm going to arrest you for trespassing.
You said I was going to have... And you're so
Keep going. Keep going. You got to clear the store and clear the entire parking lot. Oh boy, that's actually called disorderly conduct. Stop where you are, you're under arrest. Stop. If you start to run, I've already told you you're under arrest. If you start to run, I'm gonna chase you.
I didn't fucking do anything wrong. Are you
swing at me? If you swing at me, stop.
Y'all, I didn't do nothing wrong. I swear to God, you guys are... I'm not under arrest.
You're under arrest.
For what? For what?
Relax.
No.
Let go of me.
Hey.
No.
Hey, listen.
You let go. I didn't do anything wrong. You guys are fucking out of pocket right now. I swear to God. For what? I didn't fucking do anything wrong.
Let go. You're gonna get
Are you
put on the
serious?
ground.
For what? What did I do? Tell me what the fuck I did. Tell me what the fuck I did.
It's called
Tell me what the fuck
disorderly
I did.
conduct
For what?
for throwing their property on the ground.
Are you fucking serious?
Absolutely.
Because you guys are so out of pocket. I'm saying you're trying to pay with my money. I have money, cash money, okay?
Okay. You were told to leave the store
And I did.
7-8 times.
No, but I literally
Let go of
think
your
you're talking
purse.
about me.
Let go.
Let go of the purse. It's okay.
You're not arresting me.
Yes, we are.
No, you're not.
Okay, go ahead.
Stop.
Stop. You guys are
Hey.
You guys are fucking so out of pocket.
I got mine.
For why? Alex!
Can you keep an eye out for any other guys
didn't do
approaching us?
anything
You went in the store with 2 guys.
Alex, get a camera so I videotape this shit.
We are videotaping.
Good. No, you're on fucking.
Stop.
I'm not even doing it. Can you guys stop?
Hey, your arm can
You
get
need to
broken. I don't want
relax.
to break your arm.
No, clearly you do.
You're resisting.
Stop.
Roll over on your stomach.
No. For why?
Did you say, yeah, you know? Okay, now you're under arrest for another charge for resisting arrest.
Why are you guys doing this? I didn't do anything wrong.
Do you want to get tased? That's
Dude,
the next step.
I didn't do anything
That's
wrong.
the next step.
I swear to God, you guys are fucking...
Stop.
You guys have fucking issues. Look, you're such a fucking fat...
Hey, let go of my hand.
I'm not touching your fucking
You did. You just squeezed my hand again.
No, I didn't. Why am I...
Hey, stop.
You guys are so violent. I
Stop.
don't understand what the fuck is wrong with you guys. What the fuck? Now you're telling me to stand up and then fucking put me down. You're
Nobody told you to stand up. We said stop.
Stop.
you.
Why are you freaking out?
Because I'm being arrested for what?
We told you like 30 times.
I didn't do anything. Can you stop? Get the fuck off of me.
Stop thrashing.
Get the fuck off of my fucking leg, you fucking piece of shit. What the fuck is wrong with you? I fucking hate you.
You're not the first, you're not the last.
You guys please let me stop.
Okay, so you're under arrest.
For what? Why did you do anything wrong? Can you get down and get the fuck off me? Seriously, it's fucking hurting my fucking leg.
No, you just started kicking at my
I
officer.
did not try to kick him.
I saw it.
God
Do
damn.
not stand up.
Kick at us.
I never will kick at you. I literally have cash money. I was gonna buy some shit.
So you know
I
we're
swear to
audio
God.
and video recording?
Good for you.
Just letting you know.
You want to see my money in my fucking purse?
Well, it's not about money if you walked out without paying for stuff.
I didn't
right?
walk out without paying my website. They told me to get at the store.
That's what they told us.
No, what?
No, that's different.
Yeah, thank you very much.
This is a different thing?
Yeah, they
thank you.
identified them as previous
No,
shoplifters.
not
We
me.
went and
On my kid's
trespassed her.
life, not me. On my kid's
told her to
life.
leave a bunch of times.
I've never even been to the store with him.
She finally left. As she left, she grabbed a stack of buckets and tossed them backwards at me.
I swear to God, I didn't think he was talking to me.
You didn't think who was talking to you?
You guys, I thought it was like...
When we were in the store? Yeah, I was talking to
Yeah.
you. We said many
That's
times.
why I know
We'll
why
go back.
like you said, you guys.
We'll go back to the footage.
Kayla, how do you...
You're under arrest. We can search your
I
bag.
didn't go through my shit.
It's called incident to arrest.
Kayla,
No, do not stand up. We're ready for you to stand up. I'll tell you.
are you injured at all?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
wrong?
What hurt?
My fucking, when you knee on my fucking back, my fucking chair is hella bad. It's hard to breathe.
So we're also going to have a sergeant come up here and talk to you.
That's
because we
fine.
used
That's
the
perfectly
force.
fine.
You want to stand up? I can sit you down on the bumper now.
Name for one thing.
How is this legal at all?
Have a seat. Actually, you know what? Do you have anything on in your pockets? Anything on you that's going to hurt me, poke me, stick me, needles,
No,
knives, explosives,
no.
guns, anything like that?
No.
Let's walk over here to the back of the car.
So no, I didn't do anything wrong. Seriously. You guys are so fucked up.
Stop reaching
I'm
for
trying to push my pocket back
You don't have to
in.
push your pocket back in. It's the lowest of the priorities right now.
I still understand how this is even legal. How is this even legal?
New drug laws in Kent.
I'm not even kidding. I just put this
New
coat on.
drug laws just signed into effect.
I just put this coat on. I swear to God, I'm not even kidding. I swear to God, oh my kid's life. why am I getting arrested right now?
You're under arrest. You're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
Wrong.
And you're under arrest for resisting arrest.
Because I didn't do anything wrong. I understand there's no reason I should be arrested right now. Literally no fucking reason I should be arrested right now. This is so out of pocket. Seriously, there's nothing. I didn't do anything wrong. I'm a kid's life. I swear, I'm not even kidding. I don't do blues at all. I swear to God. I know what they are, but I don't do them. I swear to God, my kid's life.
You know the street name for him.
Yes, I do. I know. Yeah, I know what they are. I live in the fucking ghetto. Hello.
See my hand?
How would you do that?
I have to sweep the underside of your bra. Make sure you don't have anything in there. Okay, widen your stance for me. See my hand? Step in there.
No fucking reason to be arrested right now. There's no fucking. I don't understand why I'm being arrested.
Put your foot in. We already explained it to you when we were trying to
I
talk to you.
didn't do
on the way out of the
anything
store.
wrong at all. This is so fucking wrong.
What type of warrants does she have?
Theft stuff, DWLS stuff. So
Theft stuff. I'm blown away.
I'm not taking her anywhere without my
Yeah.
So
Okay, where is your body cam? Did you just rip?
yeah.
Bro, I am downwind and that hit hard. Wow, that's hot.
It came out hot. I will cite and release my guy, even though he's kind of being a dickhead. I'll grab her and transport her down, but we need 16 to come see her.
True. And fire's coming too.
And fire's
Complaining of back pain, correct? Let me look at her warrants real quick.
Okay, you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand each of the rights I've explained to you? Do you need me to read the rights again? No? Okay. Do you understand the rights I've explained to you? No answer? Okay. What's that?
I said, yeah.
You do? Okay. Having your rights in mind, you want to talk to me now?
No.
No? Okay.
Yeah, one question. Why do you really think I deserve to be taken to jail? I've been to jail one time in my fucking life.
Okay, your warrants would say otherwise.
My warrants? You're lying. I don't know freaking warrants.
Unless you gave us a bad name. If you give us
I
a
have
fake
no,
name.
what warrant? I swear to God, my kid's
Did you
life.
give
I
us
don't-
a fake name?
No, okay, Alice.
You have warrants for theft.
No, I don't. For what? What are you talking about? I went to court and I want it deferred.
Okay, here's what I'm going to do.
I went to jail one time.
I am going to go to my car. I'm going to get my fingerprint scanner.
Please.
If you ended up giving us a false
No,
name.
it's my name.
Okay. If you gave us a false name, then you're going to get extra charges for
Okay, that's my real name. And I don't have no warrant. How
So
my wife just went to court and
you do
I
have
paid.
warrants. That's what we just pulled up on our computer.
How? When I paid $266.
Something from Federal A and something from Auburn.
Federal Way? Well, can you tell me because I have no knowledge of this at
We'll
all.
go through that.
period.
We'll go through that in just a minute, okay?
As she's walking out, she throws those behind her. So like, all right, well, we're gonna take you into custody on that now.
Disorderly?
Yeah.
I said like 3 times after that.
It
Like,
was
that's
so-
disorderly conduct. You're under arrest. Stop moving. Don't run. Stop moving. Don't run. And I was like, hey, if you start running,
Oh.
it's going to be more. And then as soon as we put hands on her, she super hard resisting. And then at one point, we go to put her on the ground, and she tucks her head and does a full flip. Hey,
Yeah.
kicked me in the back of the shoulder. I'm not.
Rather impressive.
I don't know if that was just a front flip thing or not.
Okay. Are you injured?
No, I'm fine. She had a small thing of blues on her as well. And she said, they're not mine. Those weren't mine.
The KCC that they signed, didn't he say that they were going to come and give us the legal update for it? Because
Okay, well, I'll just do disorderly
disorderly
obstructing.
obstructing.
What the officers just discussed is that since they haven't yet gotten the legal update for the new city ordinance that was previously mentioned that would make it illegal to possess drugs in public, they cannot charge Kayla with anything related to the drugs or drug paraphernalia they found in her possession. In other words, she got lucky.
I think that it either will go into effect in July or they'll do it early depending on what the state does. Because the state might come back and say the city can't do that. Miss, what's your first name? Kayla, okay. Hey, real quick, my body cam's on, so we're being audio video recorded. My partner said, so you're in custody right now, okay? And I would be willing to chat with you, but because you're in custody, I gotta read you your rights, and then you have to be willing to chat with me, and that's completely up to you. But if you want to talk, I have to do that. Is that something you want me to do? Okay, sounds good. All right, Kayla, you have the right to remain silent. You understand the rights that I've read to you, Kayla?
Yeah.
What do you want to talk to me about?
I swear to God, I was buying everything. I really didn't think they were talking to me because I've never stolen from you or anything.
Okay.
There's no reason, you know what I mean? So I really didn't think he was talking to me. I was shocked. I was like, you're talking to me? Like, there's no reason I should be kicked out here. And of course, yeah, I'm mad. And so all I did was I just knocked down the bucket, which I shouldn't have done. I should control my anger. But I just knocked down the buckets, and then they literally tackled me and like freaking put his knee in my back, like hella hard, flipped me upside down, like for no reason, like seriously, all because I didn't touch nobody, I didn't hurt nobody, I didn't do anything. 2 buckets felt like 2 small, tiny little 5-gallon buckets.
Oh boy.
I shouldn't have done that, but literally they should not have done that. Like I did nothing wrong. They said I have warrants. Can you tell me what I have warrants for? Because I've been in jail 1 time.
Yeah,
I
can look at it, but I don't know. I haven't looked at anything. I'm just here to kind of get the quick version of what happened. So I appreciate you telling me that.
And
but
he's so disrespectful. Literally, he said because my fingers were dirty. I probably have a long record of like crimes or whatever. Like I've been to jail 1 time.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry to hear that. We get called here or we get asked by employees to come tell people that they need to leave. Some of the people that you were with were previously trespassed. I don't know if you have been previously trespassed.
No.
It sounds like you're saying no. But as soon as the business tells us they want this group of people gone, it is completely their right to ask us to do that.
Yeah, I totally understand. But like I said, I literally didn't think he was talking to me.
And then at the point where you do realize he's talking to you, you get flustered, right? Because it's embarrassing.
Yeah,
I get that. The problem with throwing the buckets on the ground out of anger, I get it, is that it's disorderly conduct.
Yeah.
And at that point, they do have a legal reason to arrest you. As soon as officers tell you, hey, you're under arrest, even if you think it's bullshit, instead of arguing or resisting their attempts to put your hands behind your back to put you in handcuffs, you gotta just be compliant, and then you can argue it after the fact. If you think it's BS, that's fine. That's fair. That's your right. But if you resist when we're trying to put you in handcuffs, it makes it dangerous for you. It makes it dangerous for us. And unfortunately, that's how it played out. Unfortunately, what happens when people resist, we have to kind of begin to do more than just simply try to get your arms behind your back. So that's why they put you on the ground to handcuff you, okay? In terms of the warrants, I'll go figure out what the warrants are for, and I'd be willing to tell you what those are. I just don't know yet, okay?
Okay.
I'll let you know what the warrants are for, okay?
Okay.
All right. The warrant out of Auburn is for criminal trespass. Criminal trespassing.
I deferred though, but
Deferred it?
yeah.
Maybe missed a court date or missed something, I don't know.
They told me I literally paid, because I paid half of it, and for 40 hours community service, I just paid it off. Like
Gotcha.
$156, something like that.
Okay.
And then the other half, she said, I'm not even going to make another court date, and it was done.
Okay.
So why?
For whatever reason, it's in there, and it's your name, it's your middle name, it's your birthday, right? And the
What's
name
the
you
other-
gave me is
another
you.
one?
There was one out of Fedway, but I don't think it was you. It was a different middle name, unless you gave the officers in Fedway a different name, and I don't need to confirm that right now because the Auburn one's fine, and then we have disorderly conduct from today, right? So, but here's the thing. When you go to Auburn next, just check in at the court and be like, hey, I got arrested. Or maybe when you go to jail today, maybe they'll just help you figure it out and put you in contact with the right people, okay?
I'm really get arrested though.
Yes, you are. Okay. Hang tight for just a minute.
We should all just go home for the day. I'm emotionally damaged now. Kayla,
Yeah.
These little things that are like pokies and tools and stuff, they cannot go to the jail with you, so they're just going to get destroyed.
Why?
What's that?
Can't I just give him my husband?
Where is he? Pretty much what I want to do is give all your stuff to your husband, but I don't know where he's at. Was he the short Hispanic guy or the taller white guy in the gray sweatshirt?
No, neither. He's in my Mazda 6 right there.
That one right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's his name?
Alex.
What is it, sorry?
Alex.
Alex. Can you hop out for a second? We're switching cars.
Hey, Kayla, do you want your purse to go with him?
Yeah. Sure, yeah.
An officer finds Kayla's husband to give him her property.
Apparently it's our suspect's car and her husband is passed out inside and is not waking up. He does have some drug paraphernalia in his lap. He woke up. We're good. Can I open the door and talk to you?
Are you Alex? Yeah.
Your wife got arrested.
Yeah.
Yeah. These things happen. She wanted us to give you her purse and her cash.
What was she doing in there?
She was identified by their store security as somebody who had shoplifted previously, and they wanted her trespass. There's a bullet right here on the door, just so you know. Any guns in the car?
No, sir.
Okay. Anyway, she got she's under arrest for obstruction and disorderly conduct because she was throwing stuff around the store and she got mad. We told her she had to leave and was trespassing and all that. So
Going to jail?
yeah.
Probably shouldn't be driving though. Maybe find somebody else to come drive for you.
Yeah, I don't know if you smoked or something recently, but I was trying to wake you up for
I literally was just waiting for her forever. I took a nap.
Oh, yes. Okay. Well, any questions? You can contact the Kent City Jail and they'll find out how long, okay?
Eventually, when the woman's behavior went completely out of control and she started manhandling the police officers, the police forcibly took her into custody. She was arrested on charges of theft and disorderly behavior. The video of the entire incident went viral on social media, to which people are giving different reactions. Some people believe that the police took the right step, while some are also raising questions on it. But one thing is clear: it is the responsibility of every citizen to follow the law, and there are always consequences for wrong actions.